Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best food dehydrators that are available on the market for their true quality. From budget-friendly options to premium models, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Elite Gourmet EFD 329WD Digital Food Dehydrator. For just $39.99, this is the most budget-friendly option on our list, but it still packs some decent features. It comes with 5 BPA-free slim store trays that are collapsible, making it super easy to store when not in use. The adjustable temperature ranges from 95 degrees to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for dehydrating fruits, veggies, and even jerky. Plus, it has a 48-hour timer with 30-minute increments, giving you plenty of control over your drying process. The design is compact and lightweight, which is ideal for those with limited counter space. However, the plastic build, while durable, doesn't feel as premium as the higher-end models on this list. The base-mounted fan and heater ensure even airflow, but you might find that it takes a bit longer to dehydrate thicker items compared to more powerful models. This dehydrator is perfect for beginners or occasional users who want to make healthy snacks without breaking the bank. Its collapsible trays are a game changer for storage, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. That said, the lower wattage of 350 watts might not be ideal for heavy-duty or frequent use. Overall, it's a solid entry-level option. Pros: affordable, compact design, collapsible trays, easy to clean. Cons: limited temperature range, slower drying for thicker items, plastic construction. Coming in at number 4 is the COSORI Food Dehydrator Machine for Jerky, priced at $49.99. This is a budget-friendly option from a trusted brand, offering some key upgrades over the previous entry. It comes with 5 BPA-free trays that are expandable to 7, giving you flexibility for larger batches. The temperature range is impressive, going up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it safer for dehydrating meats like jerky. The 48-hour timer is also adjustable in 30-minute increments, allowing for precise control. The design is compact and lightweight with a durable polypropylene construction. Unlike other budget models, it features solid materials instead of fragile clear shells, which adds to its longevity. Performance-wise, the 350-watt motor provides decent airflow for even drying, but like the Elite Gourmet model, it may struggle with thicker cuts of food. This dehydrator is a great choice for small families or anyone just starting their dehydrating journey. It's user-friendly, quiet, and comes with a 50-recipe cookbook to inspire your snack-making adventures. However, its smaller capacity and relatively low power might not be sufficient for larger households or frequent users. Pros: affordable, expandable trays, solid build, higher temperature range. Cons: limited capacity, lower wattage, slower drying for thick items. At number 3, we have the COSORI Food Dehydrator, priced at $143.99. This model stands out with its 6 stainless steel trays, offering 6.5 square feet of drying space. That's 27% more space than standard 7-tray models, making it ideal for larger batches. It's equipped with a powerful 600W motor and rear-mounted fan, ensuring faster and more even drying without the need for manual rotation of trays. Plus, it operates quietly at under 48 dBs, so you won't even notice it running. The stainless steel build gives it a premium feel, and the digital control panel allows precise adjustments with a temperature range of 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You can set the timer for up to 48 hours, making it perfect for a variety of foods like jerky, fruits, herbs, and even yogurt. It also includes handy accessories like a mesh screen, a fruit roll sheet, and a 50-recipe cookbook, adding great value to your purchase. This is an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals or families who want to dehydrate large quantities efficiently. While it's more expensive than the previous models, the durable build and high-capacity design justify the price. However, its larger footprint might be a downside for those with limited kitchen space. Pros: large drying capacity, powerful 600W motor, Stainless steel build, quiet operation. Cons, higher price, bulky design. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the P-Sedan Food Dehydrator for home, priced at $159.99. This premium model features 12 stainless steel trays, offering an impressive 30-liter capacity. Whether you're drying fruits, vegetables, herbs, or making jerky, the 850-watt motor and rear-mounted fan ensure fast and even results. The horizontal airflow system circulates heat evenly across all trays, saving you time and energy. The sleek stainless steel design is not only durable but also easy to clean. The LED control panel is intuitive, with 10 preset programs and fully customizable settings for time, 1 to 48 hours, and temperature, 95 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. A transparent glass door and built-in LED light let you monitor your food without opening the unit, which is a thoughtful touch for serious dehydrating enthusiasts. This is a fantastic option for large families, gardeners, or anyone who does a lot of batch cooking. It's quiet, efficient, and versatile, but the higher price point might deter casual users. Additionally, its large size may not fit into smaller kitchens. Pros: large capacity, powerful 850-watt motor, durable stainless steel build, customizable settings. Cons: expensive, bulky design. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is the P-Sedan Food Dehydrator for jerky, also priced at $159.99. This model is nearly identical to the number 2 entry, but earns the crown for its slightly more refined features and lighter build at 16.31 pounds. It offers the same 12 stainless steel trays with a 30-liter capacity, 850 Ws of power, and horizontal airflow for efficient and even drying. The customizable settings for time and temperature, along with 10 presets, make it incredibly versatile. The design includes a glass door and interior light for easy monitoring, while the ultra-quiet operation at 55 dB ensures it won't disrupt your home. It also includes all the accessories you need, such as a mesh sheet, drip tray, recipe book, and user manual. Whether you're making snacks for your family, preparing dog treats, or dehydrating herbs from your garden, this dehydrator handles it all with ease. While it shares many similarities with the runner-up, its slightly lighter weight and refined design give it an edge. It's perfect for serious users who need capacity, power, and precision. The only downside is the high price and large footprint, but if you're looking for the best of the best, this is it. Pros: exceptional capacity, powerful motor, quiet operation, premium build. Cons: expensive, large size. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.